Today we'll be making aloe vera hair oil. This is aloe vera hair growth oil. To make this oil, we are going to use these ingredients. I'm using aloe vera, fresh aloe vera. I wouldn't be using everything. I will use um, anise, anise seed, and I'll use rosemary dried one, and I'm using cumin seed, and also I'll be using clove. So now I have washed it with baking soda. I've washed it thoroughly with my sponge. So some of them are dirty, so you need to wash it. And then I'm going to slice it up to a half and dice it very little. And the next thing I'm going to do is to pour everything inside the jug of my blender. This blender that you're going to use, you make sure the blender is strong so that those leaves will completely blend. And then I add sunflower oil to this. You can add any oil of your choice. I prefer sunflower. Do not use, if you want to heat something on the fire, do not use extra virgin oil for this because we are going to heat it on the fire. Now pour it. You can use other oil like jojoba oil. And then, so you want to fry until you make sure you see that they're a little bit brownish. You don't want to burn it. And then you're going to sieve. Now you can use cheese cloves for this, but I'm using this tiny hook sieve, and I'll allow it to cool down completely. Then I'm going to pour it inside this bottle, and you can use this twice a day or once a day on your braids, on your hair. If you like this video, kindly like, share, subscribe, share to your families and friends. Thank you for watching.